So for the setting a crop in the CEBIS screen for election, what we have is we have the main menu across the top, and what we're looking for is the one with the ear of wheat. Once we get into that, all we do is press the main dial down to press enter. Then this first menu, it's the machine data. We click onto that. Then there's a long list here of all the different crop settings that you can have. So press enter to go into the menu, then choose a particular crop. So wheat, for instance, here, press enter. Now these are all the settings that the machine is going to set itself to. So with the threshing engaged and the cut bar engaged, when I press enter a second time, the machine will automatically adjust to all of these settings. So I'll press enter, but because I haven't got the machine running, that's the reason why it's asked me to activate everything. Once that's all set, you will get concluded at the bottom. If I just go out, then the whole machine, as you can see here, everything will be set as per that. And then if you want to, through the harvest key, you can now fine tune your combine. So set the drum speed, the concave position, or the fan speed, for instance. Fine tune your combine using the harvest key, but that is the one way to set a starting point for your crop settings.